Good evening, my dear friends. Happy weekend to all of you. So Congress is taking immediate action this week to pass new legislation. Lawmakers are also showing their support for a new bill that would increase benefits for millions of Americans. Billions of dollars have been finally allocated towards a stimulus relief program. So my friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all the details. To say thank you for watching and joining me here every day, I'm giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please, friends, make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword and each video that you watch. Remember, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning the giveaways. The next giveaway is scheduled for tomorrow, so please do stay tuned for that video.
And it reduces the deficit. And as the leader said, it is fully paid for by making the biggest companies and the wealthiest pay their fair share. Under the president's leadership, and with the stroke of President Biden's pen, we have achieved a monumental victory for America's working families, among other landmark laws signed by the president. The rescue package to put shots in arms, money in pockets, children in school, people back to work safely. The bipartisan infrastructure bill with a commitment to environmental and economic and social justice. The CHIPS and Science Act.
As talk of Social Security reform heats up heading into the November elections, one congressional proposal to expand the federal program has received a new endorsement from California lawmakers. In August, a joint resolution passed both the state Senate and its assembly. Now it goes to Capitol Hill with a specific purpose to request California representatives in Congress to support expanding Social Security by voting in favor of the bill. It is formally known as Social Security 2100, a sacred trust. California State Senator Nancy Skinner, the lead author of the bill, told reporters, "It's the state of California telling Congress, we want you to pass the bill." The latest version of the Social Security 2100 Act was introduced by Democratic Representative John Larson back in October. The event included attendance of high-profile Democrats, including House Ways and Means Committee Chairman Richard Neal and Representative Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez. The bill has attracted broad support among Democratic House lawmakers. With 202 co-sponsors, Democrats currently have a House majority with 221 members. Most California House Democrats have signed on as co-sponsors, with 2 exceptions: House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and Representative Scott Peters. According to a report from the program's trustees, Social Security has an estimated 13-year time frame when it can continue to pay full benefits. After that, in the year 2035, just 80% of benefits will be payable. Social Security 2100 offers one key change aimed at resolving those funding woes, applying Social Security payroll taxes to those with higher incomes. Currently, only wages of up to $147,000 are subject to these taxes, with employees and employers each paying a rate of 6.2% for a total of 13.4%. The cap, which is often called the taxable maximum, is adjusted each year. The Social Security 2100 proposal calls for reapplying those payroll taxes for wages of more than $400,000, a change that lawmakers call one of the most important features of the bill. In California specifically, there is a small percentage of very high-income individuals who can afford to contribute more to Social Security. Social Security 2100 proposes a host of other changes to make benefits more generous. That includes a broad increase of about 2% of the average benefit for both new and existing beneficiaries. Also, it would raise a minimum benefit to 25% above the federal poverty line. It also seeks to change the way the annual cost of living adjustments are measured, improve benefits for widows and widowers, repeal rules that result in reduced benefits for public workers, eliminate the 5-month waiting period for disability benefits, and create caregiver credits. So friends, what are your thoughts on the Social Security 2100 Act? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is Ocean City. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Ocean City, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you are subscribed to my channel. This week, Comptroller Peter Francott announced that the state of Maryland has closed its books on fiscal year 2022 with a revenue surplus of $2 billion in its general fund. The comptroller said this is the second straight year that the state has seen a massive, unanticipated influx of revenues in the year-end report. Officially, the state closed fiscal year 2022 with a balance of $5.5 billion in the general fund. Of this amount, the General Assembly allocated $3.5 billion for fiscal year 2023 operations. This is the first year that part of the unassigned balance is automatically transferred to the state's reserve accounts. So the state said in a statement, with the Federal Reserve tightening monetary policy, as well as inflation continue to have broad impact on the cost of living and the cost of doing business for Marylanders, it is more likely than not that our state and our nation are headed for choppy economic and fiscal waters in the coming years. Delegate Kathy Zaliga sent a letter to Maryland Governor Larry Hogan urging him to send relief payments of $500 to $1,000 to Maryland taxpayers. Governor Larry Hogan is proposing a freeze to the gas tax and funding retiree income tax relief. Maryland is also offering its residents the opportunity to apply for an additional debt relief tax credit above what the Biden administration has announced. The credit has been around since 2017, and the deadline to apply for this year's credit is this month. The credit was aligned to help Maryland residents who are making undergraduate or graduate education loan payments from accredited universities or colleges to qualify. Well, my great and amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this afternoon. Thank you, my dear friends, for joining me here every day and watching the videos that I post. I truly appreciate all of you. Thank you, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed weekend.